without evoking the blessings of God Almighty. Prayer is a loving interaction with God. Let's be humble before Him. I request all of you to join your hands and sing with the choir.
Listen to His inspiration, listen to His invitation, listen to the Spirit calling you. He is in the sound of the thunder, in the whisper of the breeze, and in the night of the whirlwind, in the roaring of the sea. Listen to His inspiration, listen to His invitation, listen to the Spirit calling you, to the Spirit calling you, to the Spirit calling you.
A very fresh good morning to all of you present here. I, Manish Pandey of class 12th is here to acknowledge you with today's news headlines. Let's hear some international news. Pakistan to approach International Court of Justice over Kashmir. US man found playing Pokemon Go on 8 phone inside a parked car. Secondly, news from our own country is SBI announces home and auto loans at cheaper rates during festive season. Rajnath Singh holds telephonic conversation with US defense. Now it's time to listen sports news. UK sports minister tells England fans to stop booing Smith. World Cup semi-final defeat, my biggest disappointment in last 2 years, said Ravi Shastri. Thought of the day is the word fear, F-E-A-R, has two meanings. Forget everything and run, or face everything and rise. The choice is all event. That's all for today's news. Thank you very much.
Good morning, respected father, lovely teachers, and all my dear sweet Napoleons. I got a golden chance to deliver a speech on a topic, Feel Destiny Before Death. Destiny is not a matter of chance. It is a matter of choice. It is not a thing to be waited for. It is a thing to be achieved. Not different or unique. Always remember that it is better to be unique than to be the best. Because best makes you number one, but unique makes you only one. Be the best version of yourself. Be best copies fade to pass. Thinking yourselves to be the most beautiful person in the world. Now, this question arises in everyone's mind that why should I work hard or become a successful person? Some may think that sleeping and eating are the requirements to be alive. Yes, these are requirements enough, but for the achievers, these are only the basic requirements. Always remember that if you will do hard work, then only you will get success. That's why friends, औरों को बदलने के लिए खुद को बदलना सीखो. प्यार मांगना हो तो विष घूंट निगलना सीखो. उजाले की परिभाषा नहीं मिलेगी किताबों में. उसे पाने के लिए स्वयं दीपक बन जलना सीखो. Thank you. Have a nice day.
The journey of life is often compared to the movement of a ship through the sea. It should be able to move steadily against all adversities. We should reach the shore safely in good condition. Inspired by the theme of this year, Fortune favors the brave, we, the students of class 12A, would like to present before you a small sketch. It is also based on a lesson that we have studied in class 11. So, we request you to watch it carefully and appreciate. The voyage took place in a beautiful boat named Waywalker. The journey seemed smooth and pleasant. It reached African Congo. In order to face the challenging Indian Ocean, they got the help of two sailors, Larry and Herb. They continued their journey through the great Indian Ocean. After a few days, the sea began to be quite disturbed. It was hard to proceed among the waves. They reduced their speed. The sea suddenly turned out to be very calm. Was it for a good cause? The real challenge started soon. They could see dark clouds formed in the sky. The waves reeled behind them like hills and mountains. A giant wave cracked upon the Waywalker, and suddenly everything went out of their hands. the situation got worsened. They lost their hope that they would reach the shore. Everyone plunged into gloom. In the meanwhile, the young lad John came nearby his dad and asked, "Dad, are we going to die?" Gordon did not say anything. Then the 6-year-old child told him, "We are not afraid to die if we are all together." Gordon consoled him. He changed to be a different dad now. Then Sue also appeared with a picture drawn by her. It boosted his mind. He decided to fight back. The crew understood it was tough and hard against the mighty sea, but they would not give up. He could not believe his eyes. There stood in front of him an island, Isle Amsterdam. As it was night, they could not get onto the land. So they anchored in the sea and waited for morning. In the morning, they were received cheerfully by the inhabitants of the island. Dear friends, the story does not end here, but we give it to you to complete the rest. It is a story that has inspired us a lot. It tells us that even children can inspire their parents. We come to know about our best only during adversities. So don't give up, because fortune favors the brave. Thank you.